Software. In this video, we will understand two new reports introduced in Jainam Software. So the first report is amount due, the payment due. So if I click refresh, now this report is basically a summary of the loan payment done. Now this report will show only when there is a mismatch in the payment. For example, if you see loan number 36 where the sanction amount is 50,000, document charges deducted and the paid amount 40,000. Hence 5,280 is the balance amount. We can click on this loan and analyze it further. So the sanction amount is 50. In transaction we can see the charges deducted 4720 and payment we can see that 40,000 is paid. So the balance amount is due 5280. If I make the payment 52, let's say 80 balance pay to party, and if I go back to the same report in status report payment due, click refresh, now it will show me 80 rupees is due, payment due. So merchant has to pay 80 rupees to the borrower. In case there is a negative balance which indicates paid more, but actually it is not, ideally it should not be for paying more amount. It is something that whenever installment tracker is changed, the principal is changed, in that case this will identify as a difference in the amount. So this report is very important so that you can find the less paid amount as well as in case any correction done in the installment tracker. The second report we will understand the commission paid. So I am searching a customer, click loan, then select product scheme, enter amount 20,000 and then select commission agent. I select agent and let's say to the agent I paid 500. I click save, loan 37. Now likewise you will be paying a commission to multiple agents and the commission will be sent to or transferred to the saving account of the commission agent. So here in this case saving account 1, I search saving account 1 and here in transaction I can see that commission paid for loan 37, 500. But where can I get a consolidated report? So that is available in status report and agent commission. Now here I'll get this report. If I search for a given date range, then I'll get the report accordingly. Alright, so there are so many other reports also which can add value to your business. Let me know in case you need a demonstration of any other report. Thank you. Have a great day.